ready to transform your research into a compelling scientific paper, all within the familiar environment of Microsoft Word. First, let's set up the foundation. Open a new document in Microsoft Word. Navigate to the Layout tab to adjust your margins while you're typically 1 inch on all sides. Then, specify the paper size, often letter or A4 depending on your journal's requirements. Now let's set the font to Times New Roman. Size 12. As this is standard in scientific publishing, double-space your entire document by pressing Ctrl+A to select all and then adjusting the line spacing in the paragraph section of the Home tab. Structure is key. Use Word's built-in styles for headings. Modify heading 1, heading 2, and so on to match your journal's specifications. Your font, size, and color. This will help create a clear hierarchy in your paper and automatically generate a table of contents later. Accurate citations are crucial. Go to the References tab and select your citation style from the drop-down menu. APA, MLA, and Chicago are common choices. Click Insert Citation, then add new source, and fill in the details of your reference. Word will automatically format the citation in your text and build your bibliography. For complex equations, Word's equation editor is your friend. Go to the Insert tab and click Equation. Choose from preset equations or create your own using the symbols and structures provided. Proofread carefully. Ensure your paper is free of grammatical errors and typos. Check that your citations are accurate and consistent. Utilize Word's spelling and grammar check features. With these techniques, you are now equipped to draft professional scientific papers directly within Microsoft Word.